Okay, in this video we're going to show how we rekey a lock. The last couple of videos showed how we get to this point. This is the very central core of the lock. The original pins are still in there, and the original key shows that those pins line up nicely at the shear point. The whole idea behind rekeying a lock is to take a new key, and when that new key is inserted, those pins no longer line up with the shear line. These two stick up, this one sticks low, this last one sticks up way too high. So the key would never turn with this new key. But when I rekey a lock, what I like to do is I like to buy on eBay pre-cut keys. And these come usually in sets of 2 or 4, but each cut is a kwikset depth, and they're all the same. And when I rekey a lock, I can give the customer a new set of 4 keys. But there's no key cutting involved. It's very nice and clean that way. So this is the key we're going to rekey the lock for. Now, a nice tool to have is called a holder, a core holder. And it slides in there very nicely. The core is about 1/2 inch. This core holder is about 1/2 inch. These are a very useful tool, and they can also be purchased on dg3locksmithing.com. But they're nice because they provide a nice resting place to work. As you'll see, there's a lot of inserting of the key and inserting pins and whatnot. So the pins that are in here are no longer good to us because they don't match the new key. So I'm going to dump them out. We should get 5. There's 5 pins. Even if there's 6 holes, there's always 5 pins. This is a 5-hole, 5-pin kwikset lock. So no more pins. The core is empty. And what I didn't do for many years, but finally figured out, the best way, absolute best way to save yourself time is to get a couple of things. This is called a key gauge. It's got all the key depths for all the different keys, master, wiser, slage, kwikset. You can see the key gauge has steps, and the steps are numbered. And what you do is for each of the 5 cuts, you slide the key until it won't go anymore. That lines up and it gives you a depth. For kwikset, it's giving me a depth of 1 for that first cut. So what's a depth of 1 tell me? Well, it tells me what kind of pin I've got to put, what kind of bottom pin I've got to put in this core for it to line up with the shear line. So now I'm going to show you how you find that pin.